All right, so we are in lesson 5 right now. Yes, I did say lesson 5. We are adding and subtracting with fractions. So the thing to keep in mind is when we add or subtract our fractions, we need a common denominator. So as I look at question number 1, oh, happy days, because I do have a common denominator, which means all I do is add my numerators together. 2 plus 5 is 7, and your denominator stays the same. So your answer is simply 7/9. That's all we need to do with common denominators. So common denominator, yay! So we can go ahead and subtract this time. So 7 minus 3 is 4. So we do have 4/8, but yeah, that does simplify. Yeah, it breaks down to 1/2 there. So there's our official answer. Let's jump on down to question number 5. All right. What we're looking for here is, again, common denominators. We do not have them, so I need to get new ones. So when we do our common denominator, we are looking for a number that 6 and 4 can both fit into. We don't want to rely on just simply multiplying them together, because it's not always going to be the least common. It's going to give us larger numbers, which means more simplifying. Now, if you do that, it's fine. Like I said, just get ready to do some more simplifying. But hopefully you're looking at the 6 and the 4 and you're thinking, oh, I know what goes in. Did you say they'll both go into 12? Yeah. So now we can get our new numerators. 6 times 2, and you don't have to write this out, but again, just to show you, 6 times 2 is 12, so 5 times 2, so that will give us a 10 in the numerator. And 4 times 4 times 3 gives me 12. So then 3 times 3 is 9. Now I've got common denominators. Now I'm ready to go, and 10 twelfths minus 9 twelfths is 1/12. And that's what we are after. So remember here, in order to add subtract fractions, we need a common denominator. Let's look at number 6 here. We need a common denominator. What do you think? Sometimes it is one of the numbers itself. So in this case, yeah, it's 8. All right. 2 fits into 8. 2 times 4 is 8. So 1 times 4 is 4. And 8 fits into 8. 8 times 1 is 8. So 3 times 1 is 3. So notice when the denominator does not change, the numerator will not change. And when the denominator does change, the numerator will change. So do get used to that. So we can add. You should end up with your 7/8 that we've got. Let's go on to the next page there, and let's just make sure we hit our mixed numbers that we've got. It's the same routine. We just break it into 2 parts. We take care of the fractions, and then we take care of the whole numbers. So 1/8 plus 5/8 is 6/8. Yeah, common denominator, ready to go. And add the whole numbers. 3 plus 2, that gives me a 5. The only issue here is, that's right, it's not simplified. It's okay. 2 fits into both of them. So 2 fits into 6 3 times, and 2 fits into 8 4 times. So there's my official answer of 5 3/4. Let's jump on over to question number 3. Again, we need a common denominator. So I look at the 6, I look at the 4. All right, our choices here is 24. Yeah, that's a choice, but that's not the preferred choice. I think the preferred choice is 12s. All right, so 6 times 2 is 12, so 5 times 2 is 10. And again, you don't need to draw on the line, so you can just, as long as you got your 10 up there, that's what we're after. 4 times 3 is 12, so 3 times 3 is 9. All right, so now we subtract 10 twelfths minus 9 twelfths. There's your 1/12, and then don't forget your whole numbers. 4 minus 3, there's your 1. So we've got 1 and 1/12. Oh, let's see who else looks good here. Let's jump after question number 5. All right, question number 5. So again, common denominator in order to add or subtract. We've seen the 6 and the 4 already, so we do know that we're going to use 12. Now, let's just show you what happens. Let's just show you if you should choose 24. All right, just to show you, times 4, so 1 times 4 is 4, times 6, 6 times 3 is 18. All right, so that's going to give me 22/24. We're going to have some simplifying to do here. If you would have chosen the 12, all right, 6 times 2 is 12, so 1 times 2 is 2. 4 times 3 is 12, so 3 times 3 is 9. You're going to get to your 11/12. Well, guess what 22/24 simplifies to? Yeah, it's your 11/12. So that's the whole idea, is it's going to get you to the answer faster. So it is preferred. Now, if you miss it, it's okay. You'll just simplify. Now, the answer is not simply 11/12. We do need to make sure that we bring along our whole numbers for the ride. So 8 plus 6 is 14. So your official answer is 14 and 11/12. That's it for today, people. Just remember common denominators and then get your new numerator.